Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to open up a countdown timer on your Android phone if you're cooking or something like that and you just want to go ahead and just set an alarm for a reminder. Scroll on down from the top and there should be a widget called Alarms. So I'm going to go over to the right. I just saw it right there, Alarms. So we can go ahead and select this and then we can go to Alarms right here. This is what I used to wake up with, and you can see we can go to plus icon and we can set this, but on the bottom here we have clock, we have timer, and then we can set a timer right here. So let's go to like 1 second. Let's go to 11 seconds and press play, and it's going to count down. So if you're like cooking food or something and you need like 20 minutes or something like that, and then it's going to go ahead and be annoying. Okay, so we can stop it right here. Then we also have a stopwatch. So if you are timing someone at a track meet or something like that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.